Alright guys, I had to flux it. And put it back in there. Sorry, thing's got a kind of head of me. But she's hooking, and it won't fit in my press, so I'm going to have to weld it with the power hammer. So keep an eye on that for a second while I pull this hammer up a little bit. I'll be right back with you. I heated the oil up so it'll go quicker. Chainsaw bar oil for the chain. It's really like gear lube. So I had to heat it up to get it to go in there quicker and easier. There. Back and set it up, but I'm gonna have to get ready to do it. All right. if I can get a better shot somewhere where the sun ain't gonna blind us. I think I can get it in the press now. I'm on fire. Put paper towel in my pocket, caught fire. Ooh, something else is on fire too. My little Buffy rags are on fire. Damn. Ugh. I'm gonna do this a couple more times then. I just wanted to do it so I could show y'all. Told you I would. It's almost welded, not quite. I need to get the press it with the press. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come out here when it's nice and cool and finish it up then. I might do another video of that. I don't know. We'll see. do it one more time. Holy crap. Alright, it's boiling out here. And in that one video when I had my head down, shaking my head like that, I was shaking sweat off of it. I don't have Tourette syndrome or anything. Whew. Holy tamales. I hope y'all can see that good. The sun's so bright I can't really see it, but let's try that. Heat it up one more time, square it just a little bit more. After that, I'm gonna get the square knives out and finish it up. Yeah. Whew. It is blistering hot. About 96 degrees. Without the forge. 82 in the shop. It actually feels like it's air conditioned in there. But I hope y'all saw how, that welds, the hammer partially welded it to where I could get it back into the press and press it and put a pull on it. You can tell it's welded. Sideways, I don't know if you notice that or not. I don't want to do that, it'll cause it to start twisting. Solid chunk of metal right there, guys. Alright. Hold on just 1 second. That's what the fire does when you take the OJ from it, the oxygen. Starts trying to suck it through the thing there. But yeah, that's a good start, man. We'll have that drawed out and ready in no time. I just got to figure out how to make my dies, or the fuller. It might end up having to just putting it in with a grinder, but I hate to do that because I lose the metal. And the reason I want to fuller it in, it stretches the other layers with it. When you grind it, it just takes them away. But this way, you lose some, but not as much. You fuller it down in, then you take the grinder and just knock the tops off the peaks, and that cuts through a few of the layers, but not like when you totally grind it in. And then when you draw it out, sand it down and check it and see how your pattern is. I have to figure something out, because I can't sit and just put one line in at a time, with heat. It'd take me forever, and that bill would end up costing $900 just in gas and time doing it. And that ain't what I'm after. I'm after making billets that are affordable for everybody. And, but y'all got to remember, you know, I have to make a little money on it too, or it ain't worth doing. A lot of work. But okay, I'm gonna turn this thing off. It's probably already a half hour long or longer, so I might fire it up in the morning and let you watch that too. Let me know if that's what you want to do. All right, see ya.